Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Instagram audio call option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store and click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store and go to Instagram, click on message icon. Now audio call option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.